13 old computer sounds of the 1990s. 1. ICQ message sound. ICQ is a chat application, first released in 1996. Its letters stand for ICQ. The program had many fun sounds, but the O for new messages was the most iconic. Surprisingly, ICQ only shut down in 2024. 2. 56K modem connection. Dial-up modem connection sounds varied. It was based on speed, brand, and connection quality, but the 56K modem made the best remembered modem screech. The frequencies in the screech were not random. They represented different parts of data being transmitted. This noise was the analog world being bridged by the digital. 3. 3.5-inch floppy drive sound. Floppy disks were used for storing all kinds of data. Games and other software would be installed from them. They always made this characteristic sound. It meant the disk was being read or recorded. 4. You've got mail. AOL's message was familiar to millions. It was voiced by Elwood Edwards.
You've got mail.
He recorded on a cassette deck in his living room. Edwards' wife worked for AOL. 5. Windows 3.1 startup sound. This sound was just 1 second long. Back in the day, we couldn't afford the disk space for fancier sounds. 6. Windows 95 startup sound. Microsoft commissioned Brian Eno to create this one. The famous musician created a true masterpiece. 7. Mac startup sounds. Each Mac model had its own startup sound. They were very different sounding. The AV models were the fanciest. They had special audio-video hardware. 8. Windows 98 SE startup sound. For this release, Microsoft went with a smoother, spacey intro. 9. The hamster dance. This was one of the first memes. The spelling hamster is deliberate. 10. Dot matrix printer. These printers were somewhat old school, but they were still everywhere in the 1990s. 11. Inkjet printer starting up. The Epson Stylus 440 made lots of clunking noises. When you started it up, you had to wait. It would go through all this buzzing before being ready. 12. AOL Instant Messenger Buddy sounds. AIM permanently went offline in 2017. It was an off-the-books AOL project designed to let people chat at work. It had a number of sounds. A door opening sound meant one of your friends came online. A door closing meant they left. 13. Goodbye, AOL.
Goodbye.
Along with You've Got Mail, Elwood Edwards also voiced this sound bite.